वेलकम बैक व्यूअर्स ऑन हेल्थ मेट्स। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट सारा अंजम और हम बात करते हैं डॉक्टर अजय अलोदा के साथ ऑन इंश्योरेंसेस। आए हम और जानें। यस डॉक्टर।
हाँ जी।
सो हम बात कर रहे थे, ब्रेक से पहले हम बात कर रहे थे इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर और हम बात कर रहे थे ओबामा केयर इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर और हम बात कर रहे थे कि जिन लोगों के पास इंश्योरेंस नहीं है उनको क्या करना चाहिए। तो आपने सजेस्ट किया था कि हॉस्पिटल्स में जाएं एंड दे आर मच अफोर्डेबल।
राइट।
जी
देयर हॉस्पिटल बेस्ड क्लिनिक्स, सिटी हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं ना,
जी
देयर क्लिनिक्स, अदर हॉस्पिटल्स देयर देयर क्लिनिक्स, आउट पेशेंट क्लिनिक्स, तो दे कैन गेट enrolled there, okay, and Obamacare is also very affordable, okay, and if they can get Medicaid, there's also, because a lot of doctors they take this insurance also.
जी
There are different HMO plans are there, so you know there's a lot of options for those patients.
जी
And if they don't want to go to hospital clinics, they can get into, and Medicaid HMOs, they are completely free. They're almost free actually.
जी
They go with your income level, and if you fit into that income level, then it's almost free basically.
जी
And then they can get your insurances, and they can take care of their health.
जी। डॉक्टर स्टार्ट में हमने बात की थी कि यू आर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ
RPQLI.
APQLI। आप उसके बारे में कुछ हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएंगे?
RPQLI, it's an organization of Indian physicians,
जी
which is involving physicians from Queens, Long Island, Suffolk area.
जी
It is a very strong organization. We have about close to 800 members, and we have monthly meetings, which is attended by about 200 to 250 doctors every month.
जी
And every month, since I'm the president, since I always keep some short health talk
जी
to the doctors,
जी
not disease, because they know about these things, but what are the changes, because there are a lot of changes going on in the health care right now,
जी
to update them about the changes, like Obamacare and ICD-10 जो कि नया कोडिंग सिस्टम शुरू हुआ है, और भी बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, MLTCs वगैरह, ACOs जो हमने शुरू किया है, तो इसके बारे में we try to appraise them about that part, and then we have some sponsored lectures. So it's a get together where doctors come, they meet, they talk to each other,
जी
and there is some sharing of knowledge also.
जी
So and then this organization does a lot of charitable activities also.
जी
Okay, every year we have a lot of organizations whom we donate money, which we try to collect from our functions. Okay, and whatever saving comes, part of that saving goes for helping the other charitable organizations.
जी। So Doctor, I would like to ask you, what would you like to say for our upcoming doctors and nurses that are coming into this field?
Upcoming doctors, I would say that it's a very noble profession, and one should take it with pride and with enjoyment, and they should think that this is the only profession where you have a feeling that you are doing something for the mankind.
जी
Okay, so be honest, be careful with your patients, treat them as your patients, okay,
जी
and spend time with your patients, and it's a struggle. You have to work hard,
जी
definitely, but there is a lot of fruit in this thing,
जी
after your hard work, really.
जी। डॉक्टर साहब, आपने you have spent so many years in medical field. How was the experience in it?
It is a tough experience, but it's very enjoyable, and I enjoyed every moment of it, and I'm very happy and contented what I'm doing, okay, but it's you really have to work hard, it's a long course, when you go into medical school, it's an 8-year course, then
जी
you do your residency, and then then after the struggle starts, you have to establish your practice, or but it's a long journey,
जी
but ultimately you achieve what you dream of, really. That's what it is.
जी। और साहब, ये जो हमारे upcoming doctors आ रहे हैं, they have to do residency. How hard does that get if someone from India or Pakistan, they come and do their residency over here?
It is becoming very competitive right now to get residency.
जी
There are multiple factors. One is that residency slots have decreased.
जी.
Number second thing, what they have done is they have opened examination centers all over the world.
जी.
So before, what used to happen, that it was very hard for students, to come and give the exam. Now they can give exam from anywhere. It's all computerized. And since, Asians, Indian, Pakistani students are very sharp, they all get very good scores.
जी.
So it is becoming very tough for those people who don't get good scores.
जी.
Because all people, they get very good scores, okay? And then they have to compete with their American counterpart who are here already. And it's a big competition. But I just want to tell you to the viewers कि जो हमारी जो organization है API,
जी.
Central API, API is central branch, several branches,
जी.
and Central API is fighting for it to increase the number of residency slots, so that a lot of students who are coming from India, Pakistan, they can get residency.
जी.
Okay, so unless we don't have enough slots, how can we accommodate all these people? And they are very bright students.
जी.
They're very hardworking. They're very honest, and that's why that doctors from India, Pakistan, they have a very high reputation in the community.
जी. यहाँ पे जो हमारे जो डॉक्टर्स अपकमिंग हैं डॉक्टर्स, उनको भी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है रेजिडेंसी में. उसकी क्या वजह है?
Again, same thing, जनरली जो अमेरिकन ग्रेजुएट्स होते हैं अपने लोगों में, इंडियन पाकिस्तानी में, वो उनको इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती है, बिकॉज दे आर ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम हियर एंड हॉस्पिटल्स दे गिव प्रेफरेंस टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट एज कंपेयर टू फॉरेन स्टूडेंट्स और कमिंग फ्रॉम फॉरेन कंट्रीज. ओके, but again depends on which branch you want to take. There are a lot of branches which are very competitive. Okay, there are some branches which are not that competitive. So if somebody wants to go into a very competitive branch, then he may not get it, but he may get into less competitive branch. But it's not problem for them. It's more problem for the people who are coming from foreign countries. Because slots are limited, hospitals are limited. They have cut down a lot of slots, and they have more centers open all over the world now. Plus you have a lot of medical colleges opened also in the last 10 years all over the world. So number of students increased, and number of seats available decreased. So that's what happened.
Doctor, we're coming to the end of our show.
Sure.
What would you like to say to our viewers and at the very end?
Okay. I want to thanks to Power Media, for sponsoring this health related matters, and they are doing a very good job to make our common viewers, to make them aware of the normal and common problems, and to make them aware that how they can avoid, how can they prevent, and how can they take care of themselves. Thank you so much for the Power Media for doing this thing.
Thank you, Doctor, so much for coming to our show. Viewers, ये था आज का हमारा एपिसोड हेल्थ मैटर्स का डॉक्टर अजय अलोदा के साथ. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि इससे आपको फ़ायदा हुआ होगा, और जो हमारे अपकमिंग डॉक्टर्स हैं, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि इससे आपको भी फ़ायदा होगा आपके फ्यूचर के लिए. हम मिलेंगे आपसे अगले हफ्ते. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा.
Thank you.